In this video, I'm going to walk through using dynamic assignment to schedule your games on Tourny. This type of scheduling is more catered to racket sports like badminton or table tennis, where games go quicker and you don't want to assign specific times to them, but rather you have available courts. And once a game is done, the next game up will be scheduled on that court. So let's start by adding venues to our tournament. This tournament I am working on here, I've already set up my teams and a double elimination bracket. So if we go to the Manage tab of the tournament and we scroll down, we can go to Venues and we can add our venue. We'll add the Air Canada Centre and we will have 2 courts available. And next we can go to scheduling and we will use the next available court type of scheduling and confirm. Once we've confirmed that type of scheduling, we need to order our matches. So for a bracket, these will be likely in the ideal order. We have our pre-quarters, then the lower bracket, then quarterfinals, lower bracket round 2, etc. If you're running, say, a round robin, maybe you'll want to reorder these, or you have multiple categories of play. You may want to prioritize a certain division over another. So once we're happy with our order, we can save. And now we're brought to the dynamic assignment dashboard. So the first thing we'll have to do is select the courts that we are going to be using for the scheduling. So if we select courts, we will say we're using both of the courts to schedule games and save. And once we've added those courts, the first games on the list will be assigned. So here we can see we have the pre-quarterfinals on court 1 and another pre-quarterfinals on court 2. Once we go into these games and submit a score, we will see that the submitted score game will go to recent matches and the next game up will populate on the newly available court. If we do not want courts to be assigned automatically, we can turn off automatic scheduling by toggling this option at the top of the page. And now if a score is submitted, we will see that this court is left available. And if we want to manually manage these, we can drag team or games into the available courts. We can even swap them. We can have options for clearing the available courts and assigning games. And if we clear the courts and we turn back automatic scheduling, then games will again be assigned automatically.